In this video, you'll learn how to find your OKX wallet address. By following these steps, you will successfully locate your personal decentralized wallet address for transactions. Begin by opening the OKX application on your device. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection, as this will facilitate a smooth navigation experience. Once the application is open, you will see the main dashboard with various options. Next, locate and tap on the wallet or web3 option within the main menu. This section is typically represented by an icon that resembles a wallet. After you tap on this option, the wallet interface will load, displaying your various cryptocurrency holdings. After the wallet interface appears, find and select the specific coin for which you want to obtain the wallet address. For this example, tap on USDT to view the details related to this cryptocurrency. This will open a new screen dedicated to your USDT holdings. Once you are viewing the USDT details, look for the Receive button and tap it. This action will prompt the application to display your on-chain wallet address. You should see a series of alphanumeric characters that represent your wallet address. To copy this address, simply tap on the copy option. A confirmation message may appear to indicate that the address has been successfully copied to your clipboard. This step is crucial as it allows you to easily paste the address wherever it is needed for transactions. This is your personal decentralized wallet address. Keep this information secure, as it is essential for receiving funds. Remember to verify the address before sharing it with others to prevent any mistakes in your transactions.